to Charlie. It was going to be a 15-minute game time with unlimited respawns.
He doesn't know that was his gun. He just got shot with.
I know. I don't think he knows either.
No, he's got no clue yet.
Which one of you fucks robbed me?
The one who shot you with your own gun.
Oh, I didn't realize that was my gun.
Clearly.
I wasn't paying, I don't want attention.
There you go.
That was hilarious.
Clipped it.
Yep, couple of them.
Put it on Discord. Put it on the Discord.
He said, on camera? On camera? He said, on camera? On camera? What's going on in here? My fault. Pussy boy! Hey, MasterCard and Visa.
Whoa. Could have ended my career, dude.
Oh, crap. Yo, mate.
Whoa, Buster. Is your camera on? Yeah, just. Are you struggling?
Can you help me, Dad?
I am. The fucking way. There you go. You just gotta let it do it itself. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck?
Yo, dog, that's pretty cool.
I was like, what's hitting me in my leg? Huh? Keep moving. Nothing to see here. HPA problems. Am I good?
Go, 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 ball out.
Yeah, I came unhooked. How do I get up there? Yeah. Thank you. Did Jake die? I see you. It's blue. He's blue. We're at the bottom of Trump Tower stairs. On the other side of Yellow Bus. Hunter said hit. I'm in Trump Tower. I'm in Trump Tower. Yeah, come. Yes, come here. I'm right at the top of the stairs. You're cool.
You're looking for the buckets?
Yeah, there's a guy at both buses.
Oh, they're not in the buses. They're already got one of them.
Yeah, there's one of them.
It's across, straight across the street.
Well, there is a guy. There was a guy in the school bus.
got enemy last known at the top of the stairs. Who wants the point? Go. On him. On him. Squad, go up. Squad, go up. Up. Alright. Listen. Have any of you been up here before? Have any of you been up here before?
I have.
Go. If you've been up here before, go first. Look left. Look left. Second window's dead. Second window's dead. Got two down, bottom stairs. I got a good hold here, boys. I'm looking straight down Shadow Valley. I killed 2.
Yeah, that's it. No.
He was.
I'm above your head.
Is there another way down?
Jake 2 said there were 2 sets of stairs.
Jake 2, are you on stairs too? Well, we need that second set. Where are you at? Come on, Hunter. Is this the first floor or is this still a 2-story?
This is still 2-story. This is who this hip is going. This is to bin low.
Who's going first?
Alright, Rob.
I'm going left. I'm going left. I'm so sorry.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
You still... Blue! Nice shot! Preaching clear. Go ahead. Hitting some clips, boys. Yeah. Okay. I'm in Kill House 2 right now. Kill House, help. Kill House, help. Blue, red. Blue. My fault. That's on me, bro. My fault.